Introduction to home robots.
Home robots are transforming daily life. Advanced technology now allows robots to tackle mundane chores around the house. From cleaning floors to mowing lawns, these machines simplify routines, save time, and even boost convenience. Let's explore 5 everyday tasks now handled by home robots and discover how these innovations are changing the way we live.
Robotic vacuum cleaning.
Vacuuming is now effortless thanks to robotic vacuums. These compact devices autonomously navigate through rooms, using sensors to avoid obstacles and clean carpets and hard floors. Some models even map your home, adapt to different surfaces, and return to their charging stations automatically, making floor cleaning easy and efficient.
Automated lawn mowing.
Robotic lawn mowers handle yard maintenance with minimal supervision. These robots cut grass within defined boundaries, navigating slopes and obstacles on their own. Many models can be scheduled to mow at specific times, keeping your lawn tidy without the need to push a traditional mower, saving hours of manual work.
Window cleaning robots.
Window cleaning robots bring shine to your glass surfaces. These devices attach to windows using suction or magnets and move in systematic patterns, scrubbing away dirt and grime. They're perfect for hard-to-reach areas and large panes, reducing the effort and safety concerns of cleaning windows manually.
Robot mops for hard floors.
Robot mops take care of wet cleaning and spills on hard floors. By using water tanks and specialized pads, these devices mop tile, hardwood, and laminate surfaces. Some robot mops detect how dirty the floor is and adjust their cleaning accordingly, leaving your home spotless with minimal involvement.
Personal assistant robots.
Personal assistant robots help with reminders, errands, and more. Equipped with voice control and smart home integration, they can manage your schedule, control smart devices, or answer questions. Some even assist with simple tasks, like playing music or monitoring home security, making everyday life more convenient.
The future of home automation.
The home robots are just getting started. As technology evolves, robots continue to take on more challenging household tasks. Their growing presence means more free time, increased safety, and greater comfort for families everywhere. The age of home automation is here, and it's revolutionizing everyday life.